So I'm here at Tecumseh Elementary School with Marie Chomin. Marie is a teacher of a MACC class, a gifted class of grades
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. And just as an aside, Marie is a Prime Minister's Award winner, is just an outstanding teacher. And we're so proud of you to have that award. And here we're looking at what you've been doing with your students. So tell me a little bit about the project.
Well, the students started the project in January. That was their intensive research time for 4 to 6 weeks. And then now what they're doing is presenting a variety of products. If you let the students tell you everything they knew about their product, you would be sitting with them for 30 to 40 minutes. So to try and change that and give them honor the research that they've done, we take and break it down into small segments. And so today, what you see behind us is students sharing the product that they're going to formally present to the class next week. This week, what they're doing is asking for feedback from their peers with respect to the quality of the product, where could they make some improvements, is this information in fact interesting to an audience, not just to me, etc. And so what they've done also is they've produced a variety of other products, and every week they present or complete one of those products and share them.
How do they decide what project they might want to work on?
Based on passion.
Okay.
So what we do is we give them the parameters, and then we say to them it's based on passion. In term 1, it was a science-based project. This term is a project in heritage, multiculturalism, or personal interest.
So what is the state of poverty in Canada and British Columbia?
In British Columbia, the child poverty rate is around 14%, while in the entire country it's around 11%. The thing is, poverty isn't exactly affecting the entire everyone. It's more or less like affects the minority, which leads us to ignore it and usually think it's their fault. And then a lot of the stereotypical poor person is a drug addict or alcoholic or unemployed. But then it usually, well, there's a lot of problems. Well, a lot of factors to consider, like their family too, because a lot of poor people, they have large families to take care of, and there's only one person able to work, or they're disabled, but then they don't have any disability benefits.
Yeah. Do you see any one solution to the challenge of poverty in the Vancouver community, for example?
Well, the solution to poverty is actually from looking at the example of Finland, which has a child poverty rate under 5%. What we should be doing is focusing on making the entire country, the lives of everyone in the entire country better, because that will stop people from becoming poor in the first place.
I'm pretty much asking, do the benefits and like which has more benefits and less consequences? Industrial agriculture or urban agriculture / local
What's the difference? What's the difference between those?
Industrial agriculture uses quite a bit of pollution, pesticides. It's pretty much mass production. It's efficient to grow, but once you've processed it, it loses tons of energy. And then urban, it's growing food in the city.